have scratches now, but the phone camera, it's... What's up, y'all? So guys, today we got some cases from ESR, and today's video is going to be a review video of the hybrid magnetic case for the iPhone 17 Pro. And I'm actually going to be testing the case on the phone. You guys just saw the video on the first intro. That was how I dropped the case, and you're going to be seeing how everything happened. Let's dive into it. So this is the box it comes in, nothing extra, very clean, which I actually kind of like because it tells you straight away it's a hybrid magnetic case and the MagSafe compatible. Inside the box, you don't just get the case, you get some paperwork, basically warranty paperwork, and you also get a paper that shows you how to use the camera guard as well. Show you the right way you can place them to, like, do whatever you want to do. When I take it out, the first thing I notice is how light it feels. It doesn't feel bulky at all, but at the same time it doesn't feel cheap. The back is clear so you can still see the phone, but it's not super glossy. The sides are softer and it has a bit of grip, which helps a lot when you're holding the phone for a long time. The corners are slightly thicker so you can tell it's meant to protect the phone from normal drops. You can still see the magnetic ring on the back for MagSafe, and the camera cutout is raised so when you put the phone down, the lens are not touching the table. So let's insert the phone into the case. So it goes on very well, easily and very seamlessly. And yeah, it also has a button to control your camera over there, and the sides feel very nice. The buttons still feel good when you press them, and it has 4 protective bumps around the corner. You can see the bumps around the 4 corners, and those bumps are there to protect the phone if the phone drops. That's one thing I really love about the case as well, kind of giving a military grade protection. One thing I did notice is fingerprint. Because the back is clear, you will see some smudges after using it for a while. It's not crazy, but it's there. I feel like a quick wipe might actually get it clean. But if you're someone who likes their case looking perfect all the time, just know that. One thing you should also know is it's not the lightest case out there. You can actually feel it, but I actually like that because it makes the phone feel protected and solid, not cheap. Another thing I like is the camera guard. The camera area is raised, so when you put the phone down, the lenses are not touching the table. It gives you that little bit of extra protection, especially if you are placing your phone on a rough surface. You don't really notice it when you are using the phone, but it's doing its job in the background. Another thing you can do with it is you can use it as a stand to watch movies. If you lean in the right way, it stays up on the desk so you don't have to hold the phone the whole time. Now for the magnetic part, when I attach a MagSafe charger, it snaps on properly and feels strong. It doesn't slide around and it stays in place. If you use MagSafe a lot, this does exactly what it's supposed to do. Okay guys, I just want to see how well the case can be, how protective it can be for the iPhone 17 Pro. So this is concrete right here. You can see how messy the floor is, but I'm going to be throwing it somewhere that is not messy, testing how, let's see. I'm very sure it's not going to get any damage, but let's see. Okay, so I'm going to be throwing it right over here, just seeing how strong the ESR Hybrid Magnetic Case is. So the screen has been damaged a little bit, so let's see. And it has the camera protection, so as well the camera guard. So 1 2 3 go. Oops. Oh my god. So it got scratches on the case here, and it got scratches here too, but I think I can actually clean the scratch. Wow, that's nice. And this one too, and I think I can. So the scratches are gone, and the camera guard protected those sides. Even the other side, you can the scratch is still gonna stay, but that's why it's that's why it's good for the phone. You can see my phone is still pretty good, nothing is wrong with my phone. And I think we can try it one more time just to be very sure. Again, let's just see one more time. And there you go. Same thing. The scratches are just by the side here, and also here as well. So I think that is approved. The case is strong. Well, I'm not going to throw it all the way up, but I don't know if you guys want me to throw it all the way up and all the way back down. But let's try for something like this feet towards the floor. Let's see how it is going to be. So 1 2 3. I'm gonna scare it. 1 2 3 go. Oops, that was crazy. that was a huge one. Oh my god. Well, so right now the camera guard have scratches now, but the phone camera, it's pretty good, and everything here is pretty good as well. The phone is also pretty good. I've got scratches before on the screen guard, so it's not from this. So yeah, so guys, honestly, I approve this case. It is very good and it's very strong. You guys saw the two tests I just did right here. It kind of left damages on the camera guard, but the camera guard is still pretty scratched, but the camera on its own is very good. There's nothing else. And yeah, so I approve, and I'll show you more close-up view of how the case got damaged. But like, yeah, it protects the phone, and that's the main thing, for your phone to get protected, right? You guys can see my phone is very clean. It got no scratches. If you're looking to get the case, I'm going to put the link in the description, so you can go get yours from the link in the description box. And if you use my discount code, you're going to get 25% off the case and any other ESR product on the website as well. So click the link in the description and go get yours now. Thanks for watching.